This is the story of Akshay and I, who, like everyone else, is longing for an escape during this pandemic. So, what better way to do that than a short road trip to the place where our life of adventures with motorcycle began? Goa. This was going to be a very short weekend trip exploring southern Goa with the chosen few places on our list. We just wanted to make the most of every place we visited. We were chasing peace and tranquility in this trip, and that is exactly how Goa welcomed us over the magnificent Galgibaga Mashim Bridge. The breathtaking beach with golden brown shores run parallel as you enter Goa. We had to stop and take an aerial shot of this. The first place on our bucket list was the Three Kings Chapel. The church sits atop a hill and is surrounded by stories of hauntings by spirits and ghosts of the Three Kings. Googling this place offers tons of eerie encounters that people have had here. Fortunately or unfortunately, we did not encounter any such mishaps. Whatever may be the urban legends around it, it is a place where you witness nature's bounty. We spent a big chunk of our time here soaking in the peaceful silence of the place. Next place on our list houses close to 125 species of marine life, the Abyss Marine Aquarium. There were species of aquatic animals like stingrays and piranhas, which we had only seen on screen before, but never up close. This place is well maintained and sees large crowds. The entry fee is 250 rupees per person, which might seem a bit pricey, but is very well justified given that you can touch, feel, and play with safe and harmless live fish, a memory you will cherish. They even let you hold a turtle out of the tank. By the end of your tour, you have a souvenir store for the shopaholic in you. Most of all, watch out for this nasty trick they play at you when you walk out of here. It was now noon and we could hear our stomachs growling. We found this restaurant on Google that had been highly appreciated for its food and ambience, and we missed no beat and headed right there. Seventh Heaven was the name of the place. Since we were here on an early afternoon, there weren't many customers. This restaurant is located at an offbeat place, some place which feels like in the middle of nowhere, which makes it all the more ambient. We enjoyed an afternoon of cold mocktails and an unforgettable fish thali complete with the traditional kokam rasam. After a sumptuous lunch, we headed back to a hotel to end the day with a cup of coffee. The next day, we set out to seek blessings of our family deity, goddess Mahalasa, located at Mardol. Mahalasa is another name for Lord Vishnu's avatar Mohini. It is a 450-year-old temple packed with the rich heritage and stunning history. Due to the current situation, the temple does not allow huge crowds and they do not host food for the devotees. But all in all, this place of devotion is truly scenic. Positivity and peace reverberates through every pillar of this temple. We spent a good time sitting in the sanctum and allowing the blessings of the goddess wash over us. And Hawkeye, our drone, was able to capture a spectacular view of the sanctum, something we otherwise miss out on. A trip to Goa is never complete without a visit to at least one of the beaches that run through the coast. It's kind of a ritual, I feel, right? Well, we chose to visit the Majorda beach. The beach hosts various water sport activities and it was a lively atmosphere here. But we wanted to lay back and hence chose a spot far from the crowd. From our place of seclusion, we spotted a dog enjoying the sea so very much, something we had never seen before. The beach was already bewitching and the sunset simply amplified it. It was now time to end the day by dining at the famous Martin's Corner, a place known for its food, drink, and ambience. All the boxes definitely checked here. A good way to sign off your day, sipping on a glass of good drink and company. We enjoyed both authentic and exotic mouth-watering flavors of Goan cuisines. Okay, now my mouth is really watering just by the thought of it. So that was all about our little road trip. So if you have watched this far, we are sure you like this channel. So hit that subscribe button. Until our next adventure.